Osteoarthritis is among the most common of joint disorder and is characterized by joint pain and, after rest or inactivity, stiffness for a short period of time. Due to wear and tear of the joint, this animation demonstrates the progression of the condition through 4 stages. In a healthy joint, a coating of tough but smooth and slippery tissue, called cartilage, covers the surface of the bones and helps the bones to move freely against each other. Grade 1 refers to partial damage of the joint cartilage. Grade 2 refers to more severe damage to the cartilage and the development of minor bone spurs around the joint. Grade 3 refers to large bone spurs and more extensive damage to the cartilage. Grade 4 is the most severe stage of the osteoarthritis and is associated with large bone spurs and damage of the cartilage. That leads to exposure of the underlying bone. The space between the bones is also greatly reduced, leading to pain and limit. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more content like this. Your support means a lot.